What's good? It's your boy Man here. We're back from this video today, boys. We're going to give you another tutorial on how to manage your YouTube channel on a phone. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment below. Let me start this video. So basically, here's are some apps that you need. Phonto. This is good to make thumbnails, logos. You can't make banners because on YouTube you have to make the banner on a PC. But you can make it on a phone, but you have to put it via a PC. Otherwise, it just won't upload. But yeah, Phonto, if you want me to make a video on how to make thumbnails on that, I will make one. Don't worry, just comment below. The next up, Imovie, any editor for Android. You can get anything for free just by searching on Google. Anything that you have to pay for, you can get it for free on Android. Just search up a YouTube video, it'll show you, which is a beauty about Android. But just get a good video editor, and I will make a video on Imovie or something later on in my life. But yeah, just get a video editor. Next up, sub count. This is used to work out how many subscribers you have, how many you gain on a daily basis, which is beautiful because I like to see, yeah, if any of you bitches unsubscribe. Actually, no, you're not. I love you guys, don't worry. Now, next up, YT Studio. This is used to just manage your YouTube channel. You can get YT Studio if you want to or not to. I just got it just in case, I don't know, Google fucks over. But anyway, next up, go on your Google search or Safari search youtube.com. They should come up with the iOS version of what you need. Now, after you've done this, click on the AA for Android. I've got no idea, I'm really sorry. But you can find it out soon on by YouTube. But on iOS, just click on the AA, click on request desktop version, and it should come up as the desktop. The beauty of this, you can do everything that you want. Go on Creator Studio, and you can do everything you want on a PC on here. Except for adding banners on your YouTube channel, which is an L. Now, if you go on YT Studio, you can see it gives you everything, but you can't add thumbnails. I don't think so. So that means, for me, for you guys, for everyone, if you want to manage YouTube channel, all these apps, use Google. Use the Google, or Safari to manage it. And yeah, that's basically it. Now, if you want me to make a tutorial on Phonto, how to make thumbnails, or any tutorials on video editing or Sony Vegas, because I can edit on PC or Photoshop, anything. If you want anything, just comment below, you know what I mean? But subscribe, like, comment below. Peace, I'm out.